Dr. Watermark AI is a revolutionary new AI software that's making waves in the digital marketing world, but is it really as good as they say? In this review, I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about Dr. Watermark AI, so by the end, you'll have a solid understanding of whether this is the best AI software for your business needs. Stick around because I'll also share how you can try it for free from the first link below. You'll definitely want to see this before making any decisions. Dr. Watermark AI is all about one thing: enhancing the way you manage digital content, especially when it comes to watermarks. But it's not just about adding a watermark, it's about integrating a level of sophistication and control that's never been easier. The software uses AI to detect and automatically apply watermarks to your images, videos, and other digital assets with precision, saving you time and boosting your branding. One of the first things to note about Dr. Watermark AI is its ease of use. The interface is clean and intuitive, meaning you don't need to be a tech expert to navigate it. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or a large marketing team, it adapts to your workflow seamlessly. It's designed with both beginners and seasoned professionals in mind, making it an ideal tool for anyone in the digital marketing space looking to streamline content protection. Now let's talk about the AI technology behind it. Dr. Watermark AI uses machine learning to detect patterns in your images and videos. This means that not only does it place watermarks where they make the most sense, but it does so in a way that doesn't disrupt the aesthetic of your content. This level of automation is a game changer for anyone who needs to watermark large volumes of content quickly and consistently. Another crucial feature is the ability to customize your watermarks to fit your branding needs. Dr. Watermark AI offers a variety of fonts, styles, and positioning options. You can even create custom logos or watermarks that align perfectly with your brand's identity. This makes it an excellent choice for businesses that rely heavily on visual content and need to protect it without sacrificing quality. But what really sets Dr. Watermark AI apart is its batch processing capabilities. If you've ever had to watermark a large number of files, you know how time-consuming it can be. With Dr. Watermark AI, you can batch process hundreds of images or videos in minutes, leaving you more time to focus on creating and marketing your content. The AI handles the heavy lifting, ensuring that each file gets the same level of protection with no effort on your part. The software also integrates with popular platforms like Adobe Photoshop and Lightroom, which is a huge plus for digital marketers and photographers who already rely on these tools. This makes it easy to incorporate Dr. Watermark AI into your existing workflow without having to learn a new system from scratch. Now, I know you're probably wondering about pricing. The good news is that Dr. Watermark AI offers a free trial, so you can test it out for yourself and see if it's a good fit for your business. And if you're still unsure, don't worry. I've included a link to get started with the free trial down below, so you can make an informed decision without any risk. Lastly, before we wrap up, I want to remind you that after trying thousands of AI tools, I've compiled a list of my top AI software recommendations for businesses like yours. You can find those links in the description, so be sure to check them out after this video. To sum it all up, Dr. Watermark AI is an essential tool for anyone looking to streamline their digital content protection. With its user-friendly interface, AI-driven watermarking technology, and batch processing features, it's a top contender for the best watermarking solution available right now. If you're ready to give it a try, don't forget to check the link below for a completely free trial.